All right, what's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Big Deal here, and y'all already see we got the engine done. But yeah, we got the engine done, so cleaned up the garage, cleaned up our workspace, our workshop. We got the Mustang right here. I ain't even show y'all the Mustang, so come on. We got the Sonic Blue, we got the Euro tail lights, we got valved exhaust, you feel me? Big wide tires. What else we got? Carbon fiber mirror caps. We got big Brembo brakes on the wheels, you know, 15, 16 inch, I forget, but we got the motor out. A couple days ago, I ended up painting the engine bay. If you guys want to see that video, make sure y'all go to my Instagram at That's Dylan. But yeah, so like I said, we got the Sonic Blue. Let me show them the interior. Let me get that. So yeah, interior, nothing special, just base model stuff. But we gonna clean that up later on. But yeah, our main focus is the engine right now. So I can't mount it with the supercharger on, so I'm gonna take that off. And then yeah, we just gonna put a car in here. We got extra hands to help us. So yeah, we finna put monkeys to work. Nah, I'm playing. But yeah, we finna get the car in there, and yeah, we finna start working on it and dropping the motor in. Can we push the car in? Can we push the car in? Come on.
Might as well be good.
Hold on, let me get in. Oh, shit.
Bro. Weird ass. You can't feel that shit, though. Goof ass nigga. Sitting there with his fucking foot on the brake, like nigga. Weird ass. You can't feel that shit, though. Goof ass nigga.
That's good. Yeah, sideways, like. Yeah, go back a little bit more. All right, so we got the car in the garage, man. It's really real. It's happening. But nah, shout out to the homies for helping me. My guy, John. Yes, sir. Shout out to my boy, Jalen, helping me.
I'm not talking to you,
all right. Shout out to my boy, John, for helping me. You feel me? Rat. On good. But yeah, man, so. I don't know, we probably gonna wait till sunlight to start dropping the motor in, you know. It is getting kinda late, but there's some stuff I gotta do to the car, so anything I do, you guys will see anyway, so yeah. What's the deal, y'all? So it's the next day, and last night I was doing a little bit of work on the car. So I was just clearing out the engine bay. I removed the steering rack, took out some wires, took out all these battery cables because we're gonna end up running our own, so we don't need those no more. But yeah, took the steering rack out. I got to go ahead and replace the throttle bearing. And I don't know, that should be it. The engine should slide it. Oh yeah, I got to cut the midsection of the exhaust because, you know, obviously it's not going to fit with my headers. This was welded from my old exhaust. So that's that. And then for this, I'm going to remove the supercharger. I think I could drop the motor in with the bracket. It may fit, but if not, we'll just take it off. And I also got to prime the motor, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some fittings on the oil adapter plate or whatever, and I'm gonna run some oil through there, prime that motor up, and then I gotta fabricate some AN lines for the supercharger drain, so we gotta go ahead and do that. So yeah, so that's the plans for today. We're gonna see how much we can get knocked out today. So yeah, we just gonna get to work. All right, y'all, so we just finished grinding down the pipe, so now we got enough room to drop the motor in and have the headers clear. I got the car jacked up, and we probably got to lower it back down so we have enough clearance for the engine hoist to clear the garage. So next we're gonna end up putting the motor mounts on. We're gonna prime the motor. We gotta take the supercharger off because I don't think that's gonna fit, but yeah, I think we're ready to go. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and knock that out, so yeah. All right, so now we got the motor mounts on. We went ahead and installed the motor mounts. These are solid motor mounts. I also adjusted it. I took out a little a spacer just because we got the high ram intake, so just extra clearance. But yeah, so now we're gonna take the motor off the stand and we're gonna go ahead and set it on the tire. And then we're gonna bolt up our nice McLeod clutch. And then yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install our sandwich plate and then prime the motor. That thing on there. You the crane operator, I'm the rigger.
Oh, yeah, push to see if the motor will go in.
Wait, you want me to tilt it up?
Like,
All right, come on. Hold on. All right, we could go up a little bit more. All right, come on. Hold on. All right. That's good, right there. Okay. We good. Hold on, let me keep tilting. All right.
Watch the fan.
All right.
So is it on me?
Okay, wait.
Who did that?
Oh, no.
Crank it a little more, deal. Some more. Like, keep cranking it until it's even. Hold it where it's at.
The motor mount can clear now.
Pushing to the back. It's straight to go in?
No, I should jack up the trans.
No.
Ready?
Yep. Is it going on?
I don't know when it's gonna line up.
Keep going. I'll tell you when. See, when it rocked the motor. Hold on. Go up 2 more clicks.
It's picking the motor up.
Exactly. Okay, hold it where it's at.
All right.
Guess who got married?
Yeah, we in there. It's in there?
Yeah, you see it, don't you? Now come put the motor mount.
Shit, but no, the thing is, we gotta release that bolt.
But this one, put the motor mount, we're gonna let it sit on the motor mounts.
Okay.
And then you can take all that off. Put that one motor mount back on there.
Check it out. We got the engine in, man. It's sitting in the motor mounts all flush. I don't know if you guys can see. Look, we got the motor mounts in, sitting nice and pretty. But yeah, so yesterday I was having problems with the motor. I guess, I don't know, I probably didn't have the transmission aligned properly, so it wasn't mating correctly. So all I did was jack up the transmission a little bit, and then I went ahead and just slid the transmission over a little bit, and yeah, the motor slid right back in. So we got the headers on there. The motor mounts I do have, they're adjustable, but they're solid motor mounts, so I don't got no bushings. They are adjustable, so you can lower the engine height depending on like how you want it. So I took it to the lowest settings because I got a high ramp intake we got to put on. So just did that for extra clearance for the hood. But yeah, motor is in. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the hoses on, putting all the accessories on, and then yeah, we're gonna probably prime the motor. So you know, I don't really know. I don't know how it's gonna go. We just gonna get working, and I'm gonna just film. So yeah, no.
Walk away. Shit.
Good work.
This is some good shit.
The intake and the supercharger on, and man, look at that shit, bro. That shit look good. But yeah, I had to low-key cut this little section back here and bend it because the intake wasn't fitting. So like I said, this is not the final look. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. The intake and supercharger is bolted down, but not all the way because I just wanted it on because I got to take it to the exhaust shop tomorrow. So I just put it on just for shits and giggles, you know. But man, I'm super excited. We got everything bolted, and yeah, man, it's on there. I got the party pulley coming in the mail. That should be here any day now. But yeah, man, this intake look clean. That's crazy. But yeah, so that's probably gonna be it. So yeah, we done for the night. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all this mess I made, and we gonna warp to the morning. Bam. All right, y'all, it's the next day. It's a little gloomy outside. We got my guy Fly here. Say what's up to the camera, man.
Ooh, I had to bring that blue parrot thing.
Oh God, my guy got the blue parrot on.
We running some errands today, so
For
if you
sure.
run errands, I'll be on the headset.
For sure,
So
for
let
sure.
me know my guy put the motor in, man. He put the engine together. Gotta commend him on the talent and dedication and the hard work. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know how the fuck I would have did this. And I got a Hellcat.
Yeah.
I just raced my shit.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but you know, we gotta start, you know, putting our hands on the motors and, you know, start doing stuff ourselves. But yeah, we about to hop in the trail, boss. Hold on, let me get a cold start for y'all. Ooh. So yeah, man, we got the truck warming up. We're gonna go ahead and let the truck warm up, and then we're gonna go ahead and slide to the U-Haul. And then yeah, we're gonna put this thing on the trailer. We're gonna get the exhaust done. And then we're gonna bring the car back and get to working on it until we finish, until this thing is running, man. So let's go. Yeah. Yeah, we finna go to we on the way to U-Haul. You feel me? About to pick up the trailer. We got a gloomy day, but you feel me? All day is grateful, you know? No matter if it's rain, shining, snow, or sleet, you know, we gonna get it done by any means. But yeah, man, we about to go grab something to eat. Hey, you know this motherfucker got rear-wheel drive?
Rear-wheel drive?
Yeah. Hey, you know what I do? As soon as I get in.
Remember you was the EcoBoost Mustang?
Oh God, nigga, traction off.
Oh shit.
Shit, we say, hold on.
You drove that Hellcat, you for sure smashed that Hellcat.
Yeah.
Never doing that again.
Yeah, as soon as, we get, get 5 likes on this video, we gonna drive the Hellcat.
100.
We got traction control off and we got stability control. Hold on. Where rear-wheel drive at? Let's see. See what this thing working with. Ooh.
Shit.
That motherfucker spinning. Damn, this shit got some torque. Yeah. You feel me? We gotta test out everything, you know? Make sure it's running right. We supposed to be picking up AT7.
Bro, the Mustang is not gonna fit in there, bro.
Bro.
Why are you trying to rent that, bro?
Nah, this ain't our trailer though. It's this one.
Oh, that one?
Yep. So look, y'all. Whenever y'all picking up equipment, we finna go ahead and do our pre-trip. You know, make sure everything working. Make sure nothing's not being broken or cracked. You know.
No nigga wires and hoses.
Properly mounted.
Probably mounted secure.
No abrasion, bubbles, or cuts.
No abrasion, bulges, or cuts.
Yeah.
This one right here? So we
Yeah.
can do that one out the way then.
Shit, we gotta do something. Either they gotta do it or shit, we gonna be sitting here for hours waiting on them. Go forward a little bit. Yeah. Cross this one. All right, y'all, so me and Marty Fly, we just made it back to the crib. We got the trailer sitting right there down the hill because the car ain't running right now. So we gotta roll it down the hill and get enough speed to roll it onto the wraps on the trailer. So, yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. And we just got a package in, you know, party pulley for the supercharger. So, yeah, man, just stay tuned. We got more mods to install, man. This ain't it, you know. We still getting started, you know. We working though. But yeah, we finna load the car. And yeah. All right, y'all, so we got the Mustang all loaded up, man. That thing sitting on there looking pretty, boy. Yes, sir. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Yep. And it wasn't even that hard. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start driving to the muffler shop, so I'll catch y'all when we get there. Got the trailer at Ralph's. I got it on the back of the trailer right now.
Oh, for shit.
FaceTime me.
Looking at your, huh?
FaceTime me.
What do I know?
That's the homie with the Hellcat. Ha.
Running, huh?
It should be. Ooh, boy, we at the shop. Hold on, let me see what they say first. All right, y'all, so we got the Mustang. We got the Mustang here. We just made it to Rouse Mufflers. So for everybody in the IE, make sure y'all pull up to Rouse Muffler. Best exhaust in the IE. We got the Mustang here, so we're finna go ahead and get the exhaust welded up. Gotta connect the mid pipe to the headers. So yeah. We got my guy welding up the exhaust, man. He getting it done. What you thinking, Marty Fly? What you thinking? Walk your shit down.
I utilize my right to remain silent.
Hey, he's scared that he gonna get walked down by the Mustang, y'all. Watch, just watch. We gonna give him a run for this money. Hey, yeah. Y'all follow my boy on what, Instagram, Hellcat Marty.
I'm only helping out because I feel bad.
Yeah.
After aftermath.
Hey, tell him he need to start posting more on his YouTube channel. Make sure y'all go follow my boy at Hellcat Marty. 5 likes, give 5 likes on this video, and he gonna give us the red key to the Hellcat. Ain't that right? I said 5 likes, we gonna get the key to the Hellcat. No, nigga!
Five cool.
Yeah. 5 likes and I'm gonna drop that video for y'all. Y'all wanna see Big Deal draw the cat? I think so. Oh, what's the deal with y'all? We is back. It is currently the next day. We got the Mustang sitting all nice and pretty in the garage. We just got it back from the exhaust shop. We went ahead and had the little mid section of the exhaust welded to the headers. You know, we just did something little for the meantime just so we could get the car tuned, get everything running right before we actually go back and, you know, get everything welded up, get custom made mid pipes and all that good stuff. But yeah, shout out to the homies for pulling up and helping your boy get the car to the shop. You know, without y'all, I would not have been able to get it done. But yeah, it's currently the next day. We're gonna go ahead and start doing some more work on the car. You know, each day we're getting closer to starting this thing up, so we just gotta keep working and keep hustling. But yeah, I just wanna say, we probably gonna end the video off right here, man. You know, I just wanna get on here and say real quick, like, you know, it feels good to be able to do this and document it, because, you know, just for y'all can see and, you know, have the motivation to get up and finish building your car. Whatever project you gotta do, man, just get up and do it. You know, just get 1% better every day. That's it. You ain't gotta change overnight. You ain't gotta, you know, just 1% every day. So, you know, as a kid, I dreamed of, you know, building my own car, taking everything apart, building it, supercharging it, all that, you know. And each day we work, we get closer to our goals. So that's gonna be it for this video, man. Please like and subscribe. You know, we got more content coming for y'all. But yeah, y'all already know what it is. GED, man. We finna get every dollar. And your boy Big Deal, we out.
Yo.